What if I told you that an AI agent just discovered that 29.7% of clicks on this landing page are going to absolutely nothing? Hidden buttons, broken elements, complete dead ends. And that's just the beginning. Today, I'll show you how we built an AI agent that can analyze thousands of user sessions in real time, find conversion killers that would take humans hours to discover, and then rewrite the actual page code to fix them. Traditional conversion rate optimization is broken. You look at dashboards, make educated guesses, wait weeks for A/B test results. What if instead you could just ask an AI agent, why aren't users converting? And get instant actionable answers with the actual code to fix it. That's exactly what we built at Agentic using PostHog and Model Context Protocol. So here's the problem with traditional analytics tools like Hotjar and Microsoft Clarity. They give you pretty heat maps and session recordings, but they're walled gardens. Want to analyze 10,000 sessions programmatically? Good luck. You're stuck manually exporting CSVs, setting up ETL pipelines, and praying nothing breaks. I actually built an agentic CRO system using this approach. Hotjar or Clarity exports to S3, Athena queries, the whole thing. It worked, but it was clunky as heck. Weekly batches, stale insights, constant maintenance. Then I discovered PostHog. They store everything in ClickHouse, a database built for big data analytics, and expose it through a beautiful API. No more CSV exports, no more stale data, just real-time user behavior that an AI agent can query instantly. Here's what makes PostHog different. Every click, scroll, page view, and session lives in a queryable data warehouse. Your AI agent doesn't just look at user behavior, it interrogates it with SQL-like precision. We built custom MCP tools in our dtc.sh MCP server that exposes PostHog's API. We can execute any HogQL query, which is their version of SQL, analyze sessions, track button clicks, and monitor scroll depth, all through simple Python functions. But here's where it gets really cool. Instead of logging into dashboards, we just talk to the CRO agent in Slack. CRO agent, get the page source for our product offer page. Done. Now analyze the scroll depth for the past 3 days. Most users don't scroll past 50%, critical content is being missed. Analyze the click data. This is where it gets wild. 29.7% of clicks are going to unlabeled buttons, and 23% are wasted on GDPR cookie content pop-ups for US visitors where GDPR is not even a requirement. Think about that. Nearly a quarter of our user actions are going to irrelevant cookie pop-ups instead of actual conversion elements. That's a massive optimization opportunity that traditional tools would never surface this clearly. But it gets better. The agent analyzed 1,626 sessions and found a 34% bounce rate with only 1.2 pages per session. It also discovered that 251 sessions had slow page loads over 2.5 seconds. Here's what's powerful. The agent writes complex HogQL queries instantly. Want to know which UTM campaigns drive the highest quality traffic? Which referring domains send users who actually convert? Which pages have core web vitals issues? Just ask in plain English. After analyzing everything, the agent provides prioritized recommendations. Make the core value ultra clear above the fold. Unify and simplify CTAs. Minimize cookie consent distraction. Fix unlabeled button problems. Each recommendation is ranked by impact and confidence level, with expected conversion improvements of 15% to 40%. Now, this represents a fundamental shift in how we do conversion optimization. Traditional CRO, look at dashboards, make guesses, A/B tests, wait weeks for results. Agentic CRO, query behavior, identify patterns, generate solutions, deploy code, measure impact immediately. The agent becomes your entire optimization team. It's a data analyst writing complex queries, a UX researcher identifying friction points, a designer proposing layout changes, a developer rewriting code, and a growth marketer tracking impact. PostHog captures all user interactions and stores them in ClickHouse. Our DTC.sh MCP server exposes PostHog's API through simple Python tools that our CRO agent can call. Each tool is just a Python function with a decorator. When you ask a question in Slack, CRO agent uses these tools to query live PostHog data, analyzes the results, and responds with insights and recommendations. No manual exports, no stale data, no complex ETL pipelines. Here's a perfect example of the kind of insight this system uncovers. The agent discovered that US users were clicking on GDPR cookie pop-ups, which aren't even legally required in the US. Studies show GDPR pop-ups can reduce traffic by 15 to 50%. For US users, this is pure friction with zero compliance benefit. Traditional analytics might show you bounce rate by country, but they won't tell you that your US users are wasting clicks on European compliance elements. That's the level of granular insights this system provides. The future of CRO isn't more dashboards or prettier heat maps. It's AI agents that understand your users better than you do and fix your pages. So how do you get started? If you're already using PostHog and know how to build AI agents and MCP servers, set up session recordings, build an MCP server, connect to Slack, and start querying your data. Or if you want Agentic to set this up for you, send me a DM.